Welcome back to Just a Sister Thing. I'm Rebecca. Today I'm going to be reviewing the BoxyCharm base box for March 2022. I pretty much love everything I got. I usually do. I mean, the lipstick is a little iffy, but everything else is great. If you want to see me test it out, then keep on watching. I'm not a big fan of long intros, so let's get it going. I'm starting out the video barefaced because we have a couple very luxe skincare products I'm excited about. They're right here. We'll get to those in a second. The BoxyCharm theme this month is Game Changer. And when I opened up the box, I could smell something like patchouli. I think there must be something in one of the products. I think I saw it earlier. One has juniper berry, grapefruit, but what I'm smelling is very earthy. Oh, okay, rosemary. One of the products has rosemary in it. Even the card smells like that. It's very fresh and earthy. I like it. The first product I'm going to put on is this Frank Body Brightening Vitamin C Mask. This has plum and papaya enzyme in it. It retails at $19.95. You're supposed to massage it into your skin, and it's supposed to give you bright, clear skin. It dissolves the top layer of dead, dull, damaged skin. So, and then I think you leave it on for a few minutes and then rinse it off. So let's get this on. Here's what it looks like. Kind of looks like a deodorant bottle, but that's okay. I do like the deep brown and the pink. It's very cute. It's very orange, but when somebody says that something has a lot of vitamin C in it, that's kind of what I expect. It's going on like a serum, just massaging into my skin. Okay, I'm just going to put a little bit more on because it says you're supposed to put a thick layer on, and that was kind of a thin layer. Just massage it into your skin. It says to keep doing it for a few minutes. And also it advises when you use something with this much vitamin C in it to definitely don't forget your sunscreen, because it'll make your skin ultra sensitive to the sun. I don't plan on going anywhere, so I'm not going to worry too much about that. Okay, I'm going to leave it on for a few minutes. It technically says I'm a gentle resurfacing mask made from native Australian fruit enzymes, designed to gobble up dead skin and reveal softer, clearer skin. Has vitamin C, pineapple enzyme, glycolic and salicylic acids. So this is supposed to be your in-between for actual exfoliations. Okay, that did get a little sticky, so I went ahead and rinsed it off. I used a Halo sponge to kind of with cold water and took it off that way. My skin does feel very smooth, I will say that. It's super, super smooth, which makes it ready for the next product. This is the KORRES Santorini Grape Velvet Skin Drink. Has little grapes on the side here. So this retails at $48. Says transform your skin to velvet in a single drop. It's a multitasking treatment. It's supposed to blur imperfection and smooth texture. And also it offers hydration. I'm assuming that you use it like you would a serum. I like that it has this pamphlet in here. It explains how it goes from seed to lab and everything that they're extracting. I think that they use local farms. Here's what the bottle looks like. It's very heavy duty glass. Just has a very clean scent to it. Has a glass dropper. It almost feels like a very, very lightweight oil. If you've ever used those Elizabeth Arden capsules, that's kind of what this feels like. The scent is very nice. It smells like something that you would get at a spa treatment. This is the first time I think I've ever gotten a body product from BoxyCharm, so that's pretty cool. This is called AROMATHERAPY Associates, and this is the Revive Body Gel Energize and Awaken. I'm going to use this at the end because I don't want to get perfumey products on my hands before I put on makeup. I believe you use this. Okay. I thought maybe it was a bath gel, but no, I think it's just like a lotion only in gel form. So I'll try this at the end. My other two products are lip products, so I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this for a moment, put on my skincare and my makeup real quick, and then we'll come back to that. Okay, I just threw on a very easy little gray eyeshadow look using this Essence taupe palette, and I put on some Essence highlighter and some Essence blush, and I rounded it out with an Essence mascara. So I've already shown all this in my Essence full face video if you wanted to check it out. And so now we can go ahead and get to the lips. The last few items in the box is this Persona lip liner. This is in the shade 90210. It looked like they were going to be either wine or burgundy or even a mauve color, so that's kind of why I chose a gray eyeshadow. Okay, I was like, okay, maybe it's peach, but I think it really is going to be like a burgundy color. So cute packaging though. Now this retails for $14. Supposed to glide on effortlessly, so I'm just going to go ahead and swatch it here for you. It's pretty. I don't think I have a lip liner in this color. Oh wow, I'm barely touching my skin. It's gliding right off. If you hear scratching in the background, we have a squirrel that is living in our attic right now, and he's always busy, so I apologize for that. Okay, I really like that lip liner. I barely had to apply any pressure, and it just really blends super, super easy. Nice, very nice. So this, I believe, is new to the BoxyCharm family. This is called ELEMAN Beauty Matte Liquid Lipstick. This retails for $18. It's pretty cool. I think this is a liquid lipstick. Yeah. I literally just said that. It kind of looks like the House Laboratories packaging just a little bit. The Lady Gaga line. Okay, these really don't match up that well, but that's okay. We're gonna go with it. It's been about 5 minutes, and the liquid lipstick is about almost all the way dry. It's still a little bit sticky. It's a really pretty color, has good pigmentation. Just a little concerned about it drying down. I keep, fanning myself to see if it'll dry down. So far it has not. And it's a little sticky. But other than that, I can't complain. It is a very pretty color. Okay, on to the body gel. Let's give this a go here. This is supposed to smell like grapefruit, rosemary, juniper berry, and that could be why the whole box smelled like hemp. So I just want to see what this is like. I don't think I've ever used a body gel. I've used, of course, body lotion, but I'm going to give this a go here. Okay, I'm just making sure, because this feels like a body gel that you would use in the shower, like a shower gel. But it does say you massage it into your body every day. Actually soaks in very nice, super easy. Not hating it. I do like that woodsy, piney scent to it. Yeah, it soaked right in. Okay, I like that. I don't know if I said this already, but that retails for, wow, $46. Holy tamale. It's by Aromatherapy Associates. That's expensive. I don't know. I kind of really like that. I would never think to buy a body gel. So again, that's why I like BoxyCharm. It introduces you to things that you would never try on your own. So overall, I'm very pleased with my box. My lips are still sticky. What are you going to do? Still a pretty lipstick. I don't hate it. I'm not really a fan of liquid lipstick anymore. I do like regular lipsticks. I know liquid lipstick used to be a huge thing a few years ago, but I'm kind of glad that the industry is getting away from that, because I just think it's so drying, and then you have to worry about having crusty lips or just a line around your lips by the end of the day. I'd rather just pull out a lipstick tube and just reapply it. But I know there are still companies that are making it, and there are people that still like it. So to each their own. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you like everything you got in your box. You can leave a comment below. Let me know if you got something different or if you felt differently about any of the products. And I will see you in the next video.